Hello and welcome to the video. Today I'm doing a short tutorial on how to transfer Citadel paints into dropper bottles. So first thing first, I'll go through everything you need. So obviously first you'll need your Citadel paints, and then obviously dropper bottle. This is a 15mm. You can buy these from eBay, Amazon and other arts and crafts stores. And then thirdly we have just some mixing balls. These are from AK Interactive. And then next a funnel that I picked up from eBay, just a very small one. And then next just some airbrush thinner, or you can use water. As you can see here, I've got some high quality H2O. So first thing you want to do, what I like to do, just grab some blue tack and stick my bottle down. Just press that down. It just saves knocking it over, spilling any paint. And then secondly, just take a mixing bowl and pop that into the dropper bottle. This is a 15mm bottle I'm using. Then I add the funnel. Once that's done, take your Citadel paint. One thing I like to do to make things easier is actually just cut the lid off using some cutters. And then afterwards I want to go ahead and add some airbrush thinner. So I just like to add a good couple of squirts. And go ahead, give that a good mix. Let's really work that thinner in. Just pop the lid back on. Just give that a really good shake. Once you've done that, just start to pour. Paint straight into the funnel. It's just going to pour nicely straight into the bottle, no mess. Just also get the stuff from the lid. So afterwards you're still going to have quite a bit of paint left in the bottom. Just going to add some more thinner. And just shake really well. Got a really good shake. Let's put that straight back in. Then what I like to do, just leave that bottle there, just resting up against the water bottle. I'll leave that for 5-10 minutes, just let all the paint pour straight out of the pot. One thing to know, if you don't have the airbrush thinner, you can just use water to do this, but the airbrush thinner will thin the paint without actually losing any saturation from the paint. So I'll leave this paint for 5 minutes and then we'll come back and finish the rest. So it's been about 5 minutes. Actually, still a little bit of paint left in the bottom, so what I'm going to do, Just take some more thinner. And all it needs is a little, it's just the really thick stuff that's got caught in the corners. That really good. Mix around with a brush. Just get that thinner mixed right in. And that should get you every last drop. I'll just let that last bit come out. Just leave that for another minute or two. So that's all of the paint out of the pot. One thing you can do after, just get some water, clean water, go around the funnel just with a paintbrush. That'll actually just get all the paint that's been stuck onto the funnel, and that will just pour down into the dropper bottle. So what I'll do now afterwards is just go and give this a little rinse at the sink, and then I can use it again. So I'll just give the funnel a little rinse under the tap. Now you can see that that's completely dry, completely clean, it's completely reusable. So all we need to do now is just pop another mixing bowl in. Put the dropper the little dropper on top, screw the lid on. And next all we need to do is take this label off the Citadel pot. Just lay the bottle down. And apply the sticker onto our dropper bottle. And there we go. Give it a good shake. Now you have your Citadel paints in dropper bottles. Nice and easy, no mess whatsoever. Job done. So I'll probably leave a link to all the products I used in this video in the description so you can find them easily. And I'd just like to say thanks for checking out the video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, leave a like, and hope to see you in another one soon. So thanks, and bye for now.